Hey guys, welcome to the One Huge Name. So guys, I'm here to explain how to set up emergency alerts on your phone. Please note, this doesn't support with Android tablets unless you have Simple Weather Alert right here guys, and see right here guys, right here highlighted. It is free to download on the App Store. Just gotta do just search Simple Weather Alert. So guys, the first method you must do, unfortunately guys, I meant to say, I'm going to show you what happened anyway. So guys, I'm going to show you right now. Reason why. Okay guys, as you can see guys, this is extremely rare, or it's just rare, to see this, right, right at my screen guys. This is someone's phone. And I won't tell you what kind of phone. I won't tell you what kind of phone it was. So guys, it says Amber Alert, no on virtual description. Check your local mobile. What I probably meant to say is check your local news. So guys, if you want to receive if you want to receive weather alerts, I'm at Amber Alerts. Well, just gotta do it. Well, I meant there's a couple of methods you want to do that. Right. First of all, go to settings and go to sound and notifications right here, guys. And scroll down to other sounds right here, guys. And even select emergency tone. I keep it on alert. And also here is another even here is another method you want to do as well. First of all, go to messaging and select more options, and there should be a settings icon, a settings button just for settings, and then you will be going to go through here. Just scroll down to emergency alerts right here, guys, right here. And you can go through where you want. I got extreme threats, severe threats, even Amber Alert, because it just I am a weather geek, and that's why I am. I keep it on 15 minutes. You can tell it to don't show it again. Just I just show it every 15 minutes. Or I will do it every 2 minutes now. Um, um, alert tone. Excuse me. Vibrate on alert. Even speak alert message. Well, guys, if you don't want it on, you can do this. So, guys, if you want to do this, you can do that. You can do that as well. And also, guys, you can also leave this on. If you want to leave it on, guys, I recommend for you as well. If you live in a country with hardly any cell service, I recommend for you keep this on as well. Because severe threats, extreme threats, unless you worry about your property. I didn't see, guys. Even Amber Alert is very important for you guys. Just keep it on far times. In this case, I keep it on times because I want to. Now, guys, my recom in my for 20 did not went off for a Amber Alert or a child abduction emergency because it was all necessary. the last time I received one was September 19th, 2015, 2016. Excuse me. Um, yeah, and yes, guys, I filmed an alert, but not well, I filmed a message, but not the alert itself. Yeah, guys, just be sure you be careful out there. Make sure your phone is on. Well, if you want to keep it off, you can do as well. Yeah, guys, just be sure you just be careful out there, because guys, the problem was a girl a a a girl got abducted by someone, and there is no license plate or anyone spitting out any information what the heck happened, guys. I recommend to be careful. Be careful on your surroundings, and that's my big old recommend for you. That's that's what that's what I recommend for you guys. So, guys, if you have questions about this video, I want you to ask below the video. Just comment below. And if you have questions about my phone, just be sure to ask. So, guys, goodbye and be safe. That's done.